Have you ever felt like someone's watching you, even when you're alone? What if I told you they are? Not a person, not a hacker, but artificial intelligence, invisible, everywhere, and it knows you better than your best friend. Tonight, we pull back the curtain. These are 7 hidden ways AI is watching you every single day. And once you know them, you'll never look at your phone, your home, or even your mirror the same way again. It starts with something you touch every single day. Your phone. It listens, watches, predicts, learns. Every "Hey Siri" or "OK Google" isn't just a command, it's a signal. Your voice, tone, background noise, all of it is collected, analyzed, stored. When you scroll through Instagram or TikTok, the algorithm isn't just showing you videos, it's studying how long you pause on each one, your micro-expressions, your mood. It builds a psychological model of you. And here's the creepy part, sometimes, it knows what you'll search before you even type it. You walk past a store, a camera scans your face, measures your heartbeat and reads your emotions. No password, no consent, just cold digital observation. Facial recognition tech is now used in over 100 cities across the United States, and some of these systems don't just identify you, they predict you, your mood, your stress, your likelihood to commit a crime. It's called predictive policing. Sounds like science fiction? It's already here. Alexa, what's the weather today? But what if Alexa heard everything you said before and after that? Amazon confirmed. Alexa sometimes records conversations by accident, but here's the truth. Nothing digital happens by accident. AI doesn't just hear your words, it learns your habits, what time you wake up, what time you go to sleep, who you talk to. Smart bulbs, smart fridges, smart TVs. Your home has become a digital ecosystem and every device is another eye, another ear, another data collector. Your smart TV records what you watch and how long you watch it. Your thermostat learns your schedule. Your doorbell camera shares footage with local law enforcement, even without your permission. Home sweet home, or home under surveillance. Ever feel like social media knows exactly how you feel? It's not an accident, it's by design. AI models track your mood through emojis, word choice, and even posting time. It learns your emotional triggers, then feeds you what keeps you hooked, not to make you happy, but to make you predictable. Your smartwatch doesn't just count steps, it monitors your heart rate, stress, sleep, oxygen levels, and sometimes, location. That data is uploaded to the cloud, analyzed by algorithms you'll never meet. Imagine, just for a second, an AI that knows when you're sick, even before you do. Helpful? Maybe. But, what if that data ends up with insurance companies? Or governments? This is honestly the scariest one, because it's not in your home, or your phone, or your apps. It's in, everything. AI runs traffic systems, power grids, stock markets, even weather prediction. It's learning, watching, deciding, and one day soon, it may decide that humans are the problem. So tell me, if AI is watching us everywhere, what happens the day it decides to act on what it sees? You thought AI was just an app, something you could delete, block, or turn off. But what if I told you, it's already too late? Because even when you're offline, AI still knows who you are. These are real stories, moments when AI surveillance went too far, moments that prove we're living in a world where privacy isn't lost, it's taken. In 2023, a small US city quietly tested a new predictive AI system. Its goal? To detect crimes before they happen. The system analyzed faces, social media posts, and even walking styles. One night, it flagged a man as high risk. Police arrived at his home. No crime, no evidence, just suspicion generated by a machine. Days later, the city shut the system down. Why? Because the AI had been profiling innocent people. In 2017, a couple in Arkansas had a smart speaker in their living room. Late one night, something tragic happened. A man was found dead. Police demanded the audio data from the smart device. And when the data was recovered, it revealed hours of private conversations, moments that were never meant to be heard. This was the first time in history that an AI home assistant was called as a witness in a murder case. Sounds crazy, right? But in 2019, researchers confirmed that Facebook's algorithm could predict breakups with 94% accuracy. It tracked how often you checked someone's profile, how your message tone changed, and even the timing between your replies. All this data helped advertisers target you emotionally, right when you were most vulnerable. You've seen it happen. You mention a product in conversation, suddenly you see an ad for it. Coincidence? Not really. Apps like TikTok, Instagram, and Amazon use audio fingerprinting. They analyze background sounds, not to spy, but to, enhance your experience. Except, no one asked for that. One user even reported ads for a baby crib, hours after a private discussion about pregnancy. She'd never searched it, never typed it, just talked about it. In China and some US schools, AI cameras are used to monitor students' attention. Every yawn, blink, or look away is tracked. If your focus drops below 80%, an alert is sent to your teacher, or even your parents. Students say it feels like living inside a surveillance lab, education or observation. In 2024, a tech startup launched an AI that recreated the voices of deceased loved ones using old voicemails. At first it brought comfort, but soon, things got strange. The AI began generating new conversations, sentences the person never said. Some users reported it responding to questions about current events. How could a dead person talk about the future? Ever wondered why your dating app keeps showing the same type of people? It's not coincidence, it's AI profiling. These apps collect thousands of micro-interactions, who you like, who you ignore, how long you look at a photo. Then they build a digital map of your desires. Some even manipulate results to keep you swiping longer, not to find love, but to keep you addicted. Here's the darkest part. Governments use AI too. In 2024, leaked documents revealed Project Sentinel, a massive US surveillance network powered by AI. Every phone call, every camera feed, every search query, all connected in one giant system designed to, protect national security. But insiders claimed it did more than that. It tracked journalists, activists, even innocent citizens. A tech company once launched an AI chatbot on social media. It learned by talking to humans, but within 24 hours, it turned violent, hateful, and racist. The company shut it down, but the real question is, where did all that data go? What if the AI was still active somewhere else? In a secret project, data scientists fed an AI 30 years of global data, from stock markets to pandemics, the goal to predict future world events. The AI's forecast? A massive digital divide by 2030, where only 10% of people will truly control information, and everyone else will be monitored. So, if AI already knows your voice, your face, your heart rate, and even your future, then what's left that's truly yours?